in this example, we're going to see how to read and complete an amortization table. So when we see the amortization table, we need to understand one thing. The monthly payment that we pay for our mortgage, right here, this column, it's always going to be made up from the interest plus the principal. So every payment that I have is for every payment, I'm always paying interest, which is normally in the beginning of the mortgage, the greater amount that we see here. And one part of the payment also goes to pay off the principal there. So those two together, if you add them, they will always give you the monthly mortgage payment. The other thing we need to realize is that unpaid balance that I have left here, the unpaid balance, is always going down only by taking away the principal. So the interest is something that the bank takes and keeps. The principal is going to pay off the unpaid balance, okay? So here, always take away the principal. Okay, so interest you're paying is just going to pay the bank, right? Only the portion of your payment, which is your principal, pays off your mortgage. So according to that, we now have to complete the three different tables here. So let's do A, B, and C here. Okay, so for A, I'm missing the principal. Well, what do I know though? I know that interest and principal together, so this payment and this payment together, should give me the monthly payment, okay? So if I just take away the 710 from the monthly payment, I can find how much the principal is. So take away 1034, okay, and I'm getting 3 to 3.66, okay? So this is what goes here for A. 3 to 3.66. Okay, and if we notice here, if from this amount I take away the 3 to 366, this is what I found, okay? So let's try this one. Pause the video and try this one. Okay, so I did it here. You see, if from this I take away the principal, that's how I get this number right there. Okay, completing B now, I'm looking for the monthly mortgage payment, okay? So what did I say? This one here always comes from adding the interest and the principal together. So if I add those two together, that's what I'm getting right there, okay? So I'm expecting to find the same answer since normally the monthly payment won't change, especially if your mortgage has a fixed interest rate. But I'm going to do that anyway. So adding the two, what I'm getting is 134.00. Okay, so this is what's going to go right here. Okay, and this was for B. And let's think about C now. Okay, so this is the unpaid balance. So the unpaid balance that I had before, which was right here, okay, now it's going to get decreased, but it's going to get decreased only by the principal amount. So this is what I need to take away. Only the principal amount is going to reduce the mortgage. So 189,099.34, take away 324.88. What I'm getting is 188,774.76. Okay, and this is what needs to go. This value is what needs to go to complete C on the table there. All right. So this is how we read and how we can fill out a amortization table.